over. Put it in front of me. You know,
Bro, you literally, as soon as you go, we gotta go. Oh, fuck!
Ready? Switch this on.
No, John needs to be doing that. No, you need the noise there.
2 seconds, 2 seconds.
John needs the noise. You're not nicking my steering wheel. No, you need that, John. You need to do the noise, and he needs the steering wheel.
Right. Well. Special effect. Plug it in. Where? Where's the plug?
It's on behind the TV.
Flying goggles. Dude, your flying goggles, man. Pilot's hat.
No,
I need my controller. No, I need my flight in
You're
flight
doing
control.
No, he needs that. He needs to do the noise. You need
to go next door and get some more passengers. The back road's half empty.
Wait a minute.
No. Right, ready?
Don't come too close. Ready?
No.
Very fine to me then, Captain.
Compact! Oh, hang on.
Jesus.
Miss fire. Banter Jerry, tally-ho! I say a passenger. Hold on back there. For you, chalky from now on. We're going for boost, co-pilot. Look at it, just got it up! I'm losing it! I missed it! We got it.
It's steaming up, guys!
I can't see a bloody thing, Banter!
Where are we, old Chuck?
Hey, we're in the clouds!
Where are we? It's getting a bit choppy up here. Oh, it's getting choppy.
He's a throttle back, oh boy!
Whoa, easy down. Slow down, boys.
I can't see through these clouds!
Slow down. Whoa!
Still warning, still warning.
Landing.
Oh, ready for touchdown, dude?
Yeah, yes. Are we down yet?
Hi, fancy flying banter it while I was over in.